Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meghna Manjrekar, Halls and Reviews. Now on my channel you can find lot of videos regarding the reviews as well as new hauls. Like in hauls I cover up mostly clothing hauls, footwear hauls, accessories hauls and lot many other things. So if you like what you see, then please consider subscribing, and you can also ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel since this is free. And if you want to become friends with me, then you can definitely follow me on Instagram as well as on Facebook. The links of the same will be given in the description box, so check that. Okay, now from the thumbnail and from the title itself, you all must have come to know that this is a haul. Not exactly a haul, this is basically a review of Plum's new range. This is the new range they have come up with, that is Body Loving range. Body Loving range is actually old one, but in that they have come up with little more. They have added few more products. So today I am going to review two products together. One is the body scrub, it is this, and one is their body oil. So I am going to tell you each and everything about this product because I have already used this product once. Yes, scrub I have already used once, and even body oil also I have used once. So I can definitely tell you each and everything about this product. Okay, so now first we'll talk about the packaging. It came with this kind of box. Okay, you all can see Plum goodness. I have ordered this all things directly from Plum's website. Okay, with this they have sent me this kind of a leaflet, and here they have given you stickers which you can stick anywhere. Okay, and I have already reviewed their newly launched lip balms in all 4 variants. I'll also link that video up in the I button. If you have not checked that, please go ahead and check that video because that is an awesome video. And Plum lip balms are, like you can say, they are excellent. So I have already reviewed all the 4 flavors, so you can go ahead and check that video as well. I already will be linking that in the I button, so check that. Okay, now we will talk about today's video. I have basically ordered 2 products. With that 2 products, I got 2 products free. I got this wooden body massager absolutely free. So if you check on Plum's website, this is I think costing around $199 or maybe $299. I'm not sure. I got this product absolutely free, and when I ordered that time they were having some offer that if you order above $799, that is $799, you can get this Plum chamomile and white tea sheer matte day cream 60 ml. That is the full size product absolutely free. So I got this product absolutely free. So I'm not going to review this product because this is not a new launch. I'm going to review today only the new launch. So this is the free product what I just wanted to share with you, because if you are going to order it from Plum's own website, definitely do check out. There are some offers and all. So this is the free product. So this is free as well as this is free. So both these products are free. Now we will talk about the main product. It is this product. You all can see it is written Plum Body Loving Body Scrub. Earlier Plum also had some body scrub, but that were only Plum body scrub, and this is in their Body Loving range. In this Body Loving range they have shower gels, they have body mist, they have lip balms. Lip balms and lip balm comes under different category, but definitely body mist also I have already reviewed. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box, so check that as well. I think they have around 3 to 4 variants in that, and I've already reviewed 2 variants, so definitely you can check that as well. And this is the Plum Body Loving Body Scrub Coffee Vecchino. It is the name of the particular scrub. I think in this they have 2 to 3 variants, but as you all know, I'm a coffee lover, so that is why I ordered this product. This is, you all can see over here, the MRP of the same is 550 rupees. Okay, manufacturing and everything is given. Manufacturing is October 2020. This is just newly launched product, and the expiry is September 2022. So you can use this product for 2 years. As you all know, Plum is a cruelty free brand. Definitely it's a vegan brand, paraben free brand, as well as this is PETA approved brand. Each and everything is good, and this is definitely made in India brand. So no problem. You all can see the packaging. It comes in plastic tub with a black cap, and over here they have given you the variant. Whichever variant you have ordered, it is written over here, and the net content is given over here. It is 100 gram. I guess earlier one was 200 gram, and this is 100 gram, and this MRP is 550, whereas earlier one was 650. Actually I wanted to get that also, but that was not available individually. For that then I had to order a combo, which I was not interested in because the other products I was already having. So I didn't order that, otherwise I wanted to compare both the products, but then I'm extremely sorry I cannot do that because I have not tried the earlier one, but definitely I got my hands on this. And as well as I'll talk about this particular body oil, it is the Body Loving Body Oil. You all can see in this they have two variants. This is Hawaiian Rumba. Same variant I already have in the body mist as well, and I think the other variant is Oopsie Daisy. I'm not sure the other variant, but I have got this Hawaiian Rumba variant. Okay, the net content in this 200 ml. It is written over here 200 ml. Okay, and the MRP of the same is 550. The MRP is given over here at the bottom. Okay, the manufacturing is October 20. As I told you, this is also new launch product and expiry is September 2022. That is 2 years. You get the shelf life of 2 years in both the products. Now what I will do is I will take a little bit of scrub. I will scrub over here. I will show you how is the texture and all, and then you can definitely make out. This is right now my hand, like whatever you call, this is right now. Okay, the situation of my hand. I just wet it with some water, because whenever you use some scrub, definitely y'all are aware, y'all are very smart. So you have to wet your body, right? So I have already wet my hand. Now I'll take a little bit of scrub. Okay, now when you open the scrub, I've already opened it. When you open the scrub, I've kept this kind of, it comes with this kind of seal. I've kept it just to show you. You just have to pull it up. Okay, when you pull it up, the scrub looks like this. I'm not sure whether I'll be able to show. See, this is the texture of the scrub. It is in the powder form. It is not at all in wet form. It is totally powder form. I'll just wet my hand again. Now I've already wet my hands. It's wet totally. I take little bit of scrub. See, this is the scrub, texture of the scrub. It doesn't feel gritty or something. It is very mild. Definitely the granules are very mild. I'll just show you. See, this is the texture. Okay, you just have to circulate. You just have to like go on the circular motion like this, and then you can just clean it up with warm water. Like you can scrub for at least 15-20 seconds, not more. You do not require more. And the scrubbing also you can do weekly twice, max to max thrice. Even thrice I will not suggest you. Twice scrubbing is required, only twice. But the body oil which they have given you, that you can apply daily, because see, now over here you can see the coffee particles on my hands. So this is actually the texture. I've already scrubbed it. I'll wash it off now. You all can see the difference. This is the scrub and this is not scrub. You all can see the difference. I'm not sure whether the camera will capture or no, but you all can see the difference. This is the scrubbed one and this is not scrubbed one. Okay, so this is like basically what I wanted to tell you about this body scrub. Is very good because the shelf life what you are getting is for 2 years. So 2 years definitely you can finish this. This is 100 grams, so definitely you can finish it up within 2 years. So good product. Now we will talk about the body oil. In this, as I told you, they have come up with 2 variants. The variant which I have is Hawaiian Rumba. It comes with this kind of cap, and inside they have given you this kind of, I'm not sure, this kind of cap, plastic. You just have to pull it up. When you pull it up, it opens up. If you are not using it, you just have to pull it back, keep it back, and then close the cap. If you are using it regularly, then you do not have to keep this. You can keep it at some safe place. So whenever you are traveling and you want to take this along with you, that time you can just put this cap and then you can attach this cap, the main cap. Okay, right now I will show you the texture of this particular oil. So when you apply this cap, you just have to open this way. From here you can take the oil out, and once you use it up, you just have to shut it tight. It gives you a tuck kind of sound, so that means it is already shut. See, this is the texture of the oil, okay, and the smell is excellent. It gives you a beach. It feels like when you apply this oil, it feels like you are at some beach. Definitely this is oil, so you have to apply little bit carefully, but this is very good, and this gets absorbed in your skin very nicely. And like I will suggest you, whenever you come out of your shower, definitely apply this daily. And the scrub, definitely you can apply twice a week, not more than that. That is what my suggestion is. But if you have very dry skin and if you want to scrub more, just read the instructions before doing it. So this is like the body scrub, and this is particularly the body oil. As I told you, each and everything, this is for 200 ml 550 rupees, this is 100 ml 550 rupees. But when I ordered this from Plum, they were having some offer that buy this full combo in 899 rupees. So when that offer was going on, I ordered this too. Okay, I got this particular day cream free and the massager free. So if you calculate this particular day cream price, the day cream price is 520 rupees. It is written over here, 520 rupees. So this is free, plus this massager is free. So almost I got the material of 700 rupees absolutely free, and I paid 899. So do check out Plum's own website for their excellent offers. And if you want to use my referral code, I will give you up over here on the screen, as well as I will give you that particular referral code in the description box as well. So if you will use my code, then definitely you will get some discount on your cart. Not at all sponsored video. Plum has not sent me. I cannot show you the bill because bill is already stuck over here on the bottom of the box. Otherwise I would have shown you the bill. And if it would have been the sponsored video, then this would have the review of this would have been up on my channel 3 to 4 days prior itself, because this is already launched 4 days prior. I was little bit skeptical, not exactly skeptical, I have to take care of everything. I have to see my budget also, because I work according to my budget. So I was just waiting to get some offer or something. So as soon as they came up with the offer, I ordered the combo. Alright, so definitely do check out their own website, and you can grab the opportunity. Whatever offer is suitable for you, as per your need, definitely order at that particular time itself. And not only this combo, they have various other combos as well. But as I told you, the earlier body scrub individual is not available. So I am sorry, I cannot compare that two, but definitely I can tell you this one is very nice body scrub. So if you are looking out for some particular vegan, cruelty-free brand body scrub, then definitely do give it a shot. This is awesome. Alright, so this is all. I think I have covered each and every point in this video, but still, if you have anything to ask me, and all the variants and all will be described in the links and all will be given in the description box. That is other variants as well as the other body oil. Everything will be given in the description box, so check that as well. Okay, but if you have still any queries, if you have anything to ask me, you can definitely let me know in the comment section, or else you can DM me on Instagram as well. And I think you will like this video. If yes, then please give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. And yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.